Ah, I am living. I hope you guys like it. What's up, beautiful people? It's Bree and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I got a new hair color, but by the title of this video, you'll know that I did it myself. I used hair paint wax for the first time. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I've had 3 colors and I didn't know which one to start with. So I chose the gold and red. So if you can see, I'm sure you're mostly seeing like the gold. Barely any red coming out. So I'm going to have to do another video using the red only. And I'm thinking I will do like perm rods for the next style. So if you like the sound of that, give me some thumbs up. If we get to a certain number, I'm definitely going to do it. But guys, I loved the way this turned out. Like, look at the definition. Oh my goodness, my curls are very happy with this product. And the combination that I used with the leave-in plus the hair paint wax. I did not use any gel. It was just a leave-in conditioner and the hair paint wax. But I'm going to take you through the process that I did, the steps that I took to achieve this look. And I will link everything below that I used. So if you guys are interested, you can get into it. But hey again, guys. So I'm going to show you the things that you can use while applying hair paint wax. So first, get the gloves, some disposable gloves, and then you also need a towel that you can, put around your shoulder so that it's not too messy. And you also need some clips to partition your hair and separate it in different sections so it's easier to manage. And you'll also need clean, damp hair. I literally just came out of the shower and dried my hair a little bit so that it could be damp and just ready to go. I am so excited. All right, so I used hair paint wax splash of color. This one is the gold. So pretty. Do you see that? It's like really, really shiny. And I also wanted to try another color, so I chose the orangey red color because I wanted like 2 different tones coming out. So I said I'm gonna try. It made me so excited to actually finally get started. So here again is a close-up of the 2 colors that I'll be putting in my hair. This is temporary hair color. You literally rinse this out as soon as water touches it. Alright, so now I'm going to be partitioning my hair so it's a bit easier to manage while applying. The first thing I'm applying is leave-in conditioner, then I'll apply the hair paint wax over it. So you can do that first and then we'll get right into it. It's always best to work with even smaller partitions so that, every product is evenly distributed throughout the hair. All right, so we're starting with my favorite leave-in conditioner, Kerahair Curl Essence leave-in conditioner. So what I'm doing first is kind of applying some moisture to my hair. Based on a bunch of different videos I've seen of this, you don't necessarily need to apply products, but I wanted to just apply a little moisture, some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I did hair before that the hair paint wax is like already enough product to give like definition, and you don't need a gel, but I still wanted to apply a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to fully apply it all over my hair first before I get started with applying the hair paint wax. Make sure it is detangled and combed through either with your brush or your fingers. I'm using my fingers, but definitely apply some leave-in conditioner because it didn't hurt me and apply it throughout the whole head. So just how you saw me applying it to one side of my hair, I'm now moving on to the other section and I will do this exact same thing throughout my entire head. So I'll do this off camera and then come back with all the leave-in conditioner throughout my entire head before we get started. Alright, so now my entire head has in leave-in conditioner, well moisturized and ready to receive the hair paint wax. So here we go. So what I did pretty much was the exact way how I apply any kind of leave-in conditioner or gel or product is how I applied the hair paint wax. So I literally just applied it on my hair on each strand. I didn't really want to do my roots, so I kind of let it towards the ends. I wanted more of like a, gradient look. So I applied it from the middle part of my hair, come all the way to the end. And just how I apply the leave-in conditioner is exactly how I apply the hair paint wax for it to go on. And you just kind of keep doing this and applying a little bit more at each time so the color stays on your hair. So I've never done anything like this before, so I was actually just amazed at how cool this actually was applying so easily. Like I didn't expect anything else, but at the same time I've never done this before. I've actually never colored my curly natural hair, and it was so fun to see it come out. I know it looks a little green here, but once you see the final results, you'll really see the true color. It's kind of goldy with, a little bit of a green hint is in there, but it's mostly gold, bronze tones. So I'm applying the hair paint wax throughout my entire head, just how you saw it, from the, a little bit above the middle, come all the way down to the end of my hair on each strand, and make sure it's all evenly, put into my hair. I'm going to come off the camera and do the rest and come back when it's a little bit more in the front. So here's a close-up of me putting the hair paint wax in the front of my hair, so you can kind of see more into how it's done. Again, super easy to apply, and it really holds my curls just like how a gel would, and it just defines the curls while it's going in. My hair did not feel dry at all. It was just really moisturized, and I'm thinking it's because I had a leave-in conditioner before, and then applying the quote-unquote gel-like substance, which would be the color wax, on my hair. Okay, 360 cam. All right, let's see the details. She cute. So here's a look at how much I used. Not much. And now it's time to put some of the orangey reddish color in my hair to add some bright streaks, or so I thought it would do. All right, so don't be like me. Get someone to tell you that there are clumps in the back. I did not do a mirror check, but do that, please, guys. So now I'm just adding in the final touches of the orangey red color, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Okay, so now I'm back. The hair is almost fully dried, so I'm just using my pick to pick it and fluff it to let it be bigger, nicer. But do you see the color? It literally came out stronger as the color paint wax was drying. So now it is pretty much dry. You can really see the true color. As I said, it's goldy, like I look like Goldilocks. And you see like a few streaks of the reddy orange color that I chose. But I'm satisfied. This was fun. And also you can see how defined my hair looks without any gel. It's like the hair paint wax was a good topper for that leave-in conditioner that I use. So really good combo. I'm pleased with this wash and go. The hair is pretty much almost fully dried. Not completely, so it's gonna get a little bigger, but as it's drying, the color is just coming out more and more, just like stronger and stronger. And you know, there is a little bit of hair paint coming off my fingers, but I'm sure the more it sets, the less it will come off. But I'm sure still a little bit will come off still. But I am living. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below what you loved. If you want to see me do another color and a different style, also let me know. But yeah, guys, this was fun. Until next time, bye.